Tamarit Motorcycles 81 Gotham, unveiling the Spanish marble. Have you ever heard about the incredible comeback story of Triumph Motorcycles? Founded in 1902, the British company faced bankruptcy in 1983, but roared back to life in 1991. Triumph now offers a diverse lineup, ranging from classic cruisers to sleek roadsters. One fascinating project stemming from a Bonneville 865 is the Gotham, crafted by a Spanish team. The key highlight? Custom modifications that have proven their worth, including underseat storage, 16-inch wheels with specialized rubber, and a scratch-made rear wing. Each Gotham bike takes 90 to 180 days to transform, and they deliver right to your doorstep. Kawasaki Ninja H2R, unleashing pure power. Kawasaki proudly boasts the motto, absolute domination, a sentiment reflected in their 2019 record-breaking sales of 685,000 motorcycles. Enter the Kawasaki Ninja H2R, featuring a turbocharged 61 cubic inches engine churning out a staggering 310 horsepower. Touted as the world's most powerful production motorcycle, it reaches a top speed of 236 miles per hour, outpacing even F1 race cars. With customizable features like engine braking and seamless transitions between acceleration and braking, this powerhouse is available for around $56,000. Rough Crafts Asphalt Glider, two-wheeled masterpiece. Embark on a journey into the world of custom excellence with Rough Crafts. Winners of prestigious awards, they seamlessly blend ideas from custom bikes, street art, and graphic design. Meet the Midnight Shrimp, a creation inspired by the client's love for the World Championship bike, Stealth Bullet. With a fork from FG Racing, custom handlebars, 15-inch rear and 23-inch front wheels, and a hydraulic system for dynamic adjustments, this 2020 masterpiece is a testament to two-wheel artistry. Harley-Davidson V Rod Aventador. Personalize your ride. Explore the realm of Harley-Davidson customization with no limit custom. Imagine if Bumblebee from Transformers were a motorcycle. That's the V Rod Aventador. Fully customizable from color to tires, it stands as a testament to individuality. With custom headlights, fenders, and exhaust pipes, No Limit Custom offers a unique blend of branded and third-party elements, allowing you to create your dream ride. Glotto 5, Russian elegance on two wheels. From Russia with love, Box 39 presents the Glotto 5, a modified Harley-Davidson V Rod, combining elements of painting and architecture. Each modification within the Glotto series finds its buyer. Featuring pneumatic rear suspension, 5.1 and 7.9-inch wheels, a unique fork extension, and a meticulously crafted fuel tank. This 2020 masterpiece reflects Box 39's dedication to artistry on two wheels. Aliense Ducati X-Diavel, a futuristic Ducati marble. Box 39 strikes again, this time with a Ducati X-Diavel named Aliense. Fusing sport bike dynamics with cruiser aesthetics, the result is a visually striking masterpiece. The 5.1 and 7.9-inch wheel combination, paired with specially crafted rims, adds an extraterrestrial touch to the project. True to its name, the Aliense Ducati X-Diavel stands as a testament to the fusion of Italian engineering and Box 39's artistic prowess. Diavel All Black, embracing darkness with Shibuya Garage. Shibuya Garage, nestled in Tokyo, Japan, infuses the spirit of custom motorcycle workshops into Brazil. The Ducati Diavel undergoes a dark transformation with shortened handlebars, upgraded seat, and custom rims. Assembled in 2020, this all-black Ducati radiates power and elegance, earning it the title of a Ferrari among motorcycles. Thunderbike GP-S Le Mans, German precision for the racetrack. Journey to Germany with Thunderbike's tribute to racing circuits. The Harley-Davidson breakout GP-S Le Mans. Powered by a 131 cubic inch, 123 horsepower engine, and equipped with adjustable fork and suspension, this motorcycle exudes magnificence. The retro color scheme complements the sporty nature of the bike, ready to leave an indelible mark on the racetracks. Bourne Beach 125 Suzuki Vanvan RV 125. Crafting your unique ride. Enter the realm of Suzuki RV 125 tuning with a kit from an expert specializing in these timeless motorcycles. This DIY-friendly kit includes a 2.6-gallon fuel tank, fenders, handlebars, and more. Priced at $1,475, it offers a personalized touch to your Suzuki, allowing you to assemble your own unique motorcycle with ease. Recidivist, the tattooed Harley-Davidson Softail. Game Over Cycles presents a masterpiece inspired by both tattoos and the biker community. The Harley-Davidson Softail, covered in calf skin adorned with tattoos, mesmerizes onlookers. Unveiled at the London International Tattoo Convention, this bike, with a sidecar edition, earned 11 national and international awards, showcasing a marriage of craftsmanship and creativity.